Yeah. Shady. Aftermath. Gee, you nerd.
What's up, guys? We're back at it like a crack addict with a new video.
I'm Andrew.
I'm Brian.
I'm Jackie.
And we are the
AD&J crew. What's up? Okay, guys, we're doing the 100 Chicken Nugget Challenge, and they're from 5 different places.
We got McDonald's, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, and Jack in the Box.
And now we get to take them out.
Let's see. We got a whole bunch of sauces that I haven't even tried.
If we get diarrhea.
But you used the same joke last time.
I'm sorry. Alright, guys, we're here with the 100 Chicken Nugget Challenge from the 5 different restaurants, and we have all our sauces right here. So,
That's a lot of sauces.
wow, that's like 30 sauces, yo.
I'll get one of each.
So yeah, there's some sauces we haven't tried, so it's gonna be a first time try. So if we make weird faces or
Or if I throw up.
just bear with us here. Alright, so here I am gonna start a timer on my phone to indicate that we have done this challenge.
Oh my god.
So 10, do we all see 10 minutes? I'm gonna start it. So 5,
I can't open this.
4, alright,
Okay.
5,
No, whatever. Just,
4,
that's the point. They're gonna laugh at me.
3, 2, 1, and we start the Chicken Nugget Challenge! Alright, I'm full. I'm just kidding. It took us like about an hour and a half to get all of these chicken nuggets, so now it's like they're frozen, you know, but
How much time we got? Probably like a minute.
we have 9 minutes and 30 seconds to go.
Oh my god.
Hey man, these are for the fishes. Oh my god.
This is harder than I thought. But
Honestly, I'm just so lazy to eat. Alright, guys.
the Chick-fil-A ones are pretty good. I never tried them.
Jack in the Box pretty fire.
Which are the Jack in the Box ones?
Right here.
I got one of them.
Growing up as a kid, guys,
That's a lot of chicken eggs.
I hated like being my name Jackie because my cousin would say joke in the books. And I would get offended because that's not my
It's
name.
trying to make me choke.
But you know, growing up, I thought if I fit in the box, I'm not that bad. But you know, just trying to tell you guys a little bit about myself right here. And,
How many chicken eggs have you
That's five.
and the little kid voice, little toddler voice you hear, that's my nephew Jaden. Shout out to Jaden for being part of the video.
Put his Instagram in the link below.
You know. Alright, I'm full.
Hey, get some of these Wendy's in. Because it's breaking.
Man, this is a lot. You know, maybe at one point, if one of our subscribers wants to be a secret guest, a special guest, you can always comment below and let us know if you're willing to, participate in a challenge with us. Of course, everything included. Just, you gotta be 18 and over. No, I'm just kidding, guys, but you know what I mean. We do require like a $500 deposit, and if you make the video funny, then we'll give it to you in the end. If not, then we keep your money. I'm just kidding, but yeah, let us know, guys.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Turn the post
Share.
notifications on.
Share, please. It's very
How much
important.
time we got?
Oh wow, let me see.
We got 8 minutes and 50
6
seconds.
minutes and 49 seconds.
Hey, this sriracha one's pretty fire.
I was hungry, bro. Now I'm good.
No aguanta nada, eh.
See, this right here, look.
I'm sorry, guys, but I feel like I'm so full and I haven't even ate. I'm trying to chew as fast as I can. And I feel like I have no energy to chew because it's so hot out. Man.
But you're inside.
Wow. You guys know what I meant.
I'm just trying to chew, man.
Yeah, what are these?
Someone got full.
I'm trying. I really am, guys.
Hey, why is there a knife on the table? Actually, there's a kid here. There's too much food. How much time is it?
We have 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Come on, eat, come on.
You know what, guys? Sometimes in life we fail, but we pick ourselves up. But the day after these chicken nuggets, man, I don't know that I can pick myself up. But maybe I can fly. But, man, it's hot.
You're trying too hard, Jack. Just eat.
I love myself.
I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself.
Oh, hell no.
How much time we got? How much time we got?
A minute
Yeah,
and a
minute,
half.
30
Oh, my
seconds.
God.
Come on, come on, come on.
I think the best one is very female. It might be the best one.
I'm literally sweating, guys.
Oh, man. How the hell am I doing?
We have 56 seconds.
Come on, just chew, eat. Eat, come on. Come on, come on.
Holy cow, guys.
We have 35 seconds.
No.
You guys tell me like Chick-fil-A.
Barely.
Oh my God, wow. Let's have a full order of Wendy's.
10 seconds.
Alright, tap out. Alright, tap out. There. Timer's
Time's
on.
up.
Wow, guys.
Oh man.
I mean, this feeling is undescribable. Like, we're full.
Damn, bro.
Oh man, how many chicken nuggets we got left?
All right.
About 100.
There's 14 in the Jack in the Box. All right, 14 on this side.
I don't know who wants to count these.
14.
Just count. Stay in school, kids.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
And then we have a couple over there. No more.
That's it.
39 chicken nuggets. That means we ate 61 chicken McNuggets. Wow.
Or chicken nuggets, because they're not off from McDonald's. But
Smart, Mr. Smart over here, guys.
that was very tough.
Wow. We honestly didn't think it was gonna be this hard, but you know. Hey, at least
At
we
least
got
we-
lunch for tomorrow.
At least we tried. We almost died choking, but we tried.
But all right, guys. Shout out to you guys once again. We appreciate the following, the liking, the subscribing, the commenting. And if you want to see any challenge or any specific action, please comment on our channel and let us know, guys. We highly appreciate it. Stay hydrated. And like our, we also will post our social media up there. You know, give us some follows. We're cool. No, I'm just kidding. But stay hydrated, guys, because these
And
days
we have
are
fun
hot.
doing this, but yeah.
And stay tuned for the next video.
Say bye to them.
Say bye.
Say
Say
bye to the phone.
Bye.
Say bye.
Up there.
To the
Say-
phone. To the phone. Say bye.